Sir, I know you have a number of comments to make about this, but you've made this pointed statement that every person over 50 needs to get a colonoscopy, but unfortunately the facts don't hold true, and that this is that people don't. So in a second best world, isn't this a better option than nothing, which seems to be the alternative for many people?
That's a good question. And the answer, actually, that is what they're standing on. I guess if you're a man standing in a swamp, you look for any form of hard ground. And in this case, Exact Sciences is standing from the USPTF. What they made a statement is that if you're not going to get any kind of colon testing whatsoever, then sure, they're all equal. The answer, I guess, is in that case, the best test is the one that you're going to do. But that does not mean this can ever replace a colonoscopy. The truth is, if you're 50 years old, it's the second leading cause of cancer deaths among men, third amongst women. Get a colonoscopy. That's it. There's really no question about it. What we're seeing today with Exact Sciences is quite dangerous, because as their stock price has gone higher, and Kevin Conroy, the CEO, and I have to give him credit, he's a CEO right out of Central Casting, very glib and has all the answers, and he looks very CEO-ish. But the unfortunate part is he's right now in Las Vegas, and he's telling people to make the biggest gamble they could ever make. At the Bank of America Merrill Lynch conference, they're going out talking that he thinks Exact Sciences could possibly replace colonoscopies and become the standard of care without any scientific data behind it. So what people must do, and the numbers, normally as a short seller, I fight against these type of companies, and the response is, yes, Mr. Short Seller Man, but we're printing cash. In this case, they're not. One more thing I want to say about this. Only in the United States can this business model even exist. Well, I think the US, New Zealand, and Brazil are the only three countries that allow pharmaceutical companies to market directly to consumers. This is a marketing company. Get a colonoscopy.